NIMAREX offers a holistic business experience by combining conference and exhibitions that will update the audience on the state of the maritime industry in Nigeria and connect key companies in the maritime sector to international maritime operators. Strategically, the Expo is aimed at attracting serious investors who will exploit available opportunities and open up business for the industry. It is in recognition of your efforts in this regard that one of our topics for discussion is the implication of the current trade terms on the development of the maritime sector. It is my hope that all experts gathered here will go into in-depth discussions on this burning issue with a view to coming up with practice and practicable recommendations for government's consideration. Finally, we wish to thank the Honorable Minister of Transport for his vision and support to NIMAREX. He's wearing a lot of shoes today. One of the very important ones to us is that he is the chief host of NIMAREX 2013. Thank you, sir.
Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we'll move on quickly. And now, we're going to have a speech by His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and it will be delivered by the Honorable Minister of Transport.
From His Excellency, the President, Dr. Goodluck Jonathan, GCFR. Mr. President would have loved to be here personally, but for very compelling state engagements, he directed me to present him at this occasion. To be here today to declare open the Nigeria Maritime Expo, NIMAREX 2013. This annual event, initiated in 2011, has no doubt provided an ideal forum for displaying an assemblage of various maritime products, new technologies, services and expertise, and also provide a platform to open up various business opportunities in Nigeria's growing maritime sector. Ladies and gentlemen, I urge you to take full advantage of this 3-day event, not only to showcase Nigeria's maritime potentials and creating awareness on the investment opportunities available there, but also to come up with suggestions and recommendations on how best we can attain the desired objectives in the maritime sector development. Finally, it is now my privilege to formally declare, on behalf of Mr. President, the 2013 Maritime Expo NIMAREX open, and I so do. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Oversees the activities of the Nigerian Stock Exchange and is the CEO of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Please let's give Mr. Oscar a round of applause.
We're all aware that Nigeria is rich in maritime assets, and the challenge is to harness these assets for durable wealth creation and employment of our citizens. We in the Nigerian capital market are positioned to assist in harnessing these assets through facilitating long-term capital raising for both the private and public sectors for investments in the maritime sector. The Nigerian Stock Exchange, with equity market capitalization of $68 billion US and bond market capitalization of $37 billion US, is poised to assist other maritime corporates in capital raising through equity listing and bond issuances. Again, we congratulate you on the various positive strides you are making to develop the maritime sector in Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Please, the welcome His Excellency, the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, PCFR.
Thank you because you did the thing the way I want people to do it. Because of reasons beyond my control, I was not able to join you in time. And you did not wait. You kept going. I like that. I always say that those people who forget history, it's like losing your memory. And you imagine if you lose your memory, you won't even remember what you read yesterday. So we must remember history. And it's when because history points to where we are coming from, where we are. And when we know where we are coming from, where we are, so we know how to get to where we want to get to. Back in history, the maritime determined the power and richness of nations, kingdoms, and individuals. Even here at home in Nigeria, maritime was substantially our link along West Africa and the rest of Africa. And the means of transportation of goods and people between West Africa and Europe. Many of us still remember what Apapa Port used to be in the independent days and the role of Elder Dempsey. Recognition of the importance of this industry to our national economic development led to the establishment of the Nigeria National Shipping Line. So we unveil these books, which will commit to the glory of God and for the expansion of the shipping industry and maritime industry as a whole in Nigeria. So be it, Lord. Opportunities in the maritime industry in an emerging economy.
Thank you, sir.
Minister, I know let me go down to them.